Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Today, our goal is actually really highly focused. We are breaking down the fundamental mechanics of literally one of the most recognized names on the entire planet, Amazon. Even if you use it every single day, we're going to strip away all the complexity today and just look at the core engine of how this global giant actually operates.
What if you could buy almost anything you need without leaving your home? Seriously, take a second to really think about that. In the not-so-distant past, acquiring what you needed meant planning a whole trip, hoping the store had it in stock, and then hauling it back yourself. That intense desire for ultimate convenience is the exact itch this platform was built to scratch.
Section 1. Welcome to Amazon. What is Amazon? Okay, let's dive right into the foundational definition.
At its core, Amazon is one of the world's absolutely largest online shopping platforms. But here's the thing, it's not just a single massive store. It's really a gigantic digital connector. It links millions of individual businesses and sellers directly to customers all over the globe. You basically just tap a piece of glass, and this platform works like magic to translate that digital action into a physical product delivered right to your front door.
Section 2. From books to everything, a brief history.
So we have to start way back in 1994. When it was founded by Jeff Bezos, the company literally did exactly one thing. It sold books online. That's it. But, over time, that vision expanded dramatically. They started moving into electronics, clothing, groceries, even furniture. It completely morphed from a simple bookstore into the everything store. And this brilliantly illustrates how today it seamlessly serves millions of customers daily, which is just a massive, massive leap from that 1994 starting line.
Section 3. How Amazon works, the process.
Okay, so the buying process essentially follows 6 really elegant steps, mapping the exciting journey of a single item. Step 1, you spark the journey just by searching for a product. Step 2, you read the detailed descriptions and reviews. Step 3, you toss that item into your digital cart. Step 4, you pay securely online. Step 5, either an independent seller or Amazon itself ships the order out. And finally, Step 6, that package completes its journey and lands right on your doorstep.
Section 4. Why people choose Amazon. The drivers. Let's zoom back out for a second and look at exactly why millions of people globally repeat that exact same process every single day.
There are basically 5 key pillars driving this whole shebang. First, a huge variety of products. Second, highly competitive prices. Third, fast and incredibly reliable delivery. Fourth, you've got customer reviews that really build buying confidence. And fifth, easy returns that totally remove the risk for the buyer. So the crucial point here is how all 5 of these elements combine to create just the ultimate state of consumer convenience.
Section 5. The shopping revolution, a fundamental shift. Amazon fundamentally changed the way people shop, for good. They made it easier, way faster, and significantly more convenient to buy products online. That intense focus on convenience is exactly what elevated it into a trusted worldwide staple. They effectively took all the friction out of acquiring the things we need to live our lives. Whether you're buying a single book, a high-end laptop, or just your everyday household items.
Which brings us to a really fascinating final thought. Amazon completely changed how we buy everyday items. So what in the world will they change next? They conquered retail, they've fundamentally rewired modern e-commerce. As they just keep expanding their reach, what other aspects of our daily lives might be totally revolutionized by this model of ultimate convenience? It's a pretty wild thought to leave you with. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me today to break down these concepts. Keep learning, and I will catch you in the next explainer.